How to create SEPA bank account. To create a SEPA account, you must open a bank account at a financial institution that is part of the Single Euro Payments Area, SEPA. As SEPA is a system for making payments, not an account type itself, you'll need to provide your personal and financial information to a bank in a SEPA member country to open a traditional bank account with an IBAN. Once you have this account, you can use it to make and receive SEPA credit transfers and direct debits. Select a bank or another financial service provider that is part of the SEPA network. These are typically banks in EU, Eurozone countries, but also include some other European countries. You'll need to provide your personal details, such as your name, address, and other identifying information to the bank. Complete the bank's application process to open a standard bank account. The institution will provide you with a unique international bank account number, IBAN, for your account. With your IBAN, you can then send and receive SEPA transfers with other SEPA members, treating them like domestic transfers within your own country. Thanks for watching.